Welcome to my channel, Income Up. I will be discussing the different means of earning extra income online. But to start with, I will be discussing on cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has been tested as one of the means, the surest means, viable means of making extra income online. But before I go into that, I have highlighted some points. If you are a beginner or a newbie into cryptocurrency, there are a number of things you need to know as foundation. So I will be defining what cryptocurrency is, the uses of cryptocurrency, different types of cryptocurrency, major coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, alternative coins, stable coins. Then there are some terms also that you will need to be familiar with as you trade in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency simply is a digital or virtual currency that you cannot see physically or handle physically, but it exists. It's not like the dollar, US dollars, or the British pounds. So you trade it online. The uses of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency are the same function, more or less, with our fiat, that is money. If you are familiar with the functions of money or uses of money, such as the settlement of debt, such as a medium of exchange, you use it to buy, use it to sell, as a store of value, a store of wealth, as a medium of transferring your wealth. Those are the uses. So the same thing is applicable to cryptocurrency. Only that this is completely virtual and is done online. Then we have different types of cryptocurrency. I will try as much as possible to make this video to be short so that you can really digest it. But however, you will need to refresh your mind. Even if you are used to cryptocurrency, please refresh your knowledge one more time so that in case there are challenges ahead of you, you will know exactly the terms that are used and the steps that you will need or require to take. We have different types of cryptocurrency. We have the major cryptocurrency, like the Bitcoin, Ethereum. Those are the first generation cryptocurrency. Then all other coins or tokens that came after that is usually called alternative coins. That's ALT coins. They are numerous. They are over 8,009 in the market. So as you begin to browse and make your searches, you will see the different types that are in the market. Now we have the stable coins, such as the USDT, USDC, BUSD, etc. USDT is stable, as the name implies, in terms of value, in terms of the price. The reason why the stable coins were made is to ameliorate the challenges usually that is faced by crypto traders, which have to do with the high level of volatility. In some cases, the price can suddenly rise or suddenly fall. So if you are trading, usually if you are projecting that there's a likelihood that there will be drop in price, you can decide to convert your crypto to a stable coin. And also, you also trade with stable coin. You match it with any crypto you want to trade in most of the exchanges. So USDT usually is matched with US dollar 1-to-1 or just a slight different. Usually the fluctuation is not high. That's why it is called stable coin. You have USDC, you have BUSD. Like BUSD is the stable coin of Binance. There are some blockchain that has created their own stable coin. As you continue and as we make choices in terms of blockchains, in terms of exchanges, we'll be seeing there are some exchanges that have developed their own stable coin, and some of these stable coins are peculiar to some exchanges. But however, the general acceptable, stable coin that is used across almost all exchanges is USDT. Then most of the other terms also that you will need to be familiar with, such as blockchain technology. In fact, you cannot talk about crypto without having a fair knowledge of what the blockchain is. All the transactions that are carried out in the crypto space, they are stored on the blockchain. For the blockchain is like a virtual ledger where all exchanges, what you buy, what you sell, what you store, where they are stored, where those transactions are being carried out, where you make your confirmation of your trade and your various transactions. So this blockchain, in fact, is central to crypto. It's decentralized, stored in different computers in the world. In the crypto space, it has no central control, like we have the central bank of the different countries in the world, where the value of currencies, the volume in circulations are determined. But in crypto, it's decentralized. It does not have one central control. What usually determines the rise and fall in value is purely the law of demand and supply. The more people, investors, demand for a particular coin, the higher the price. So that's why as we proceed, I'll be telling you that there are basic indices, basic questions you must ask before you purchase any of these cryptos. So I want to regret purchasing it. Just as I said, there are over 8,000 alternative coins and major coins now in the market, and more are still coming. Then what is the difference between a coin and a token? This question is usually being asked, but most of the time it is being used interchangeably. A coin basically is the asset, is the native asset of a blockchain. A blockchain can be created, and once a blockchain is created, it comes with its coin. But most often, like the Ethereum blockchain, there are other programs that may be running on that blockchain that will create their own token. It's not a blockchain per se on their own, but they are allowed, the blockchain is such that other programs can be run on it that will generate tokens. So you can see the difference between the blockchain and the token. A token can further develop and be improved upon to become a coin, just like the Binance coin. It was one time, it was at the time referred to as a token that operated on the Ethereum blockchain before it was developed as a blockchain. Then we have what they call the coins and wallet address. We have wallet and coins address. What is a wallet? Because it's fundamental. One of the first things you will need to also get is your trading wallet. You generate your wallet with seed phrase. It is where you store whatever you purchase. Whatever crypto you purchase, you will store it in a wallet, just like your normal wallet where you store your money. But in this time around, it's a virtual wallet. And when generating a wallet, you will need password and what we call the seed phrase. Usually the seed phrase is about 12 in number, 12 words or 24 words. And as you are generating it, it's always advisable that this seed phrase should be stored in a place that is very safe. It's not advisable to store it online. It's not advisable for you to store it in your email. It's not advisable for you to even store it in your phone. You look for a jotter, write them down, and store it in a safe place, because that's the access point you have to your wallet. If you lose it, or someone else or the third party have access to it, there is a tendency that you may lose or lost your assets. So that is why you must write the password. If you cannot memorize it, and the seed phrase, write it separately in a jotter and keep it in a safe place. I repeat that if you don't want to lose your assets. Then we have the crypto market or crypto exchange. Once you make up your mind that you want to go into the crypto business, another question you will need to ask is the exchange where you are going to trade. Because in an exchange, that is where you sell and that is where you buy. You can sell when it is high, you can buy when it is low. So you know the different. There are a lot of exchanges today in the market, and most of them they have different conditions for trading. Then you are going to be looking at the trading fee, smart contract, coin market capitalization, fiat currency. I will explain what fiat is. Fiat is just your currency, such as the US dollar or the British pounds. Because in most cases, you will need to fund your wallet. Maybe, it depends on the country where you are operating from. There are some countries that link individual bank account. It is allowed to be linked to crypto exchange. Whereas there are some countries also that may not allow it. then you have to find out the easiest and the most convenient means of funding your wallet. It can also be peer-to-peer, what is popularly known today as P2P. So you find out before you go into the business. Then you'll be hearing of smart contract. Smart contract is just simply program. It's a kind of a program that has a predetermined result when certain conditions are being fulfilled or being carried out on the blockchain. It's peculiar on its own to a specific program. There are some cases you'll be seeing in the crypto market. When you are trying to fund your wallet, you'll be told, please don't send coins from a smart contract, because that smart contract is peculiar to that program. It's not generalized. And they will tell you if you send coins from a smart contract, you may end up losing it. So please, you'll be seeing such terms as you continue to trade. Then you also be seeing coin market capitalization. In the coin market capitalization, like the CoinGecko and coin market, you'll be that is where all the different exchanges, the different coins, that is where they are stored. You want to know the coins that is in existence, just browse on or Google it, coin market capitalization. The total coins in circulation, their exchange, and the way they are listed, and the values of the coins. You will see them there. In fact, we are going to be coming back to all this. Then trading fee. This is very, 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 very important. When I'm going to be discussing, my next video, I'll be discussing on crypto arbitrage. You will see the importance of trading fee. Very, very important. You want to send coin from one exchange to the other, from one wallet to the other. One of the very, very important, question you ask, or what you look at for, is the fee for that movement, the movement of that coin or that token from one exchange to the other, or from one wallet to the other. Because the essence of the movement may be just for you to make profit. For the essence of trading is to make profit. So if the fee is more than the profit you are going to make, it does not worth it. And most of the exchanges, the wallets, they varies in terms of the fee that they charge. And that's why I say that there are high volume of trade in some of the exchanges, because they charge lesser fee. And some tokens also, and some coins, they have a very, very minimal fee for transferring them from one wallet or from one exchange to the other. So all these questions are the things, all these points and these questions are the things you must be mindful of before you go into crypto trading. I will be uploading a number of videos, training and teaching. I'm showing you my personal experience. I don't do video on what I have not experienced personally, what I've not done personally. There are a lot of means of making money online. I have been in this journey now for more than 12 years. I decided to, lay emphasis more on the crypto market, because I discovered that it's the easiest, it's the surest. And I can even be able to tell you that you don't actually lose in crypto. But however, I'm going to be telling you later the kind of fund you must not use to trade crypto. Kind of fund, borrowed fund that you need to return within few days. You don't need to bring it into crypto. That's the reason why most people lose, because out of panic. I'm going to be telling you what to do, the kind of market you can buy, where you can buy from, where you can sell from. However, in order for you to be kept abreast, each time I upload a new video, you will need to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe so that each time you'll be notified that I have just uploaded a new video, then you will follow up. Because there are going to be a series of videos on crypto and other means of earning income online. Thank you.